Migrating data from another project management tool to teamwork.com is an essential step for teams looking to streamline their workflow and enhance collaboration. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to do this, with valuable tips to make the process as smooth as possible and give you the tools you need to get started with Teamwork today. First things first, teamwork.com is a powerful project management tool designed to help teams stay organized, track progress, and collaborate effectively. If you're coming from a different project management tool like Trello, Asana, or Monday.com, it's important to know that migrating your data is not only possible, it's easier than you might think. Let's dive into the steps. Before you start, it's important to make sure you have the proper permissions in both the current tool and teamwork.com. You need admin access to both systems, as this ensures you can export and import all the data you need. The first step in migrating data from another project management tool to teamwork.com is exporting your data from the current software. Most tools have an export feature that allows you to download your projects, tasks, and timelines into a CSV or Excel file. For example, if you're moving from Trello, you'll want to export your boards and lists, while in Asana, you'll export your tasks and projects. Once you've exported the data, you can prepare it for import into Teamwork. It's important to clean up the data to make sure there are no discrepancies and everything is in the right format. You might have to remap some columns to match Teamwork's structure, but the process is quite straightforward. Teamwork allows you to import CSV files into their system, and they have a dedicated import page where you can upload your file. When you're ready, navigate to the Import section in teamwork.com, select CSV Import, and upload your file. Teamwork will guide you through the process, asking you to map your columns so they match the corresponding fields in Teamwork, such as project name, task name, deadlines, and assignees. This is a crucial step to ensure all your data transfers correctly. After the import is complete, it's time to review your projects in Teamwork. Check to ensure that all the tasks, deadlines, and assignees have transferred accurately. If something's off, Teamwork's flexible editing options allow you to quickly adjust details so that everything fits your team's workflow. Now, depending on the complexity of your project management structure, you may need to adjust some workflows or set up automations to mirror your previous system. For instance, Teamwork.com offers automation rules, recurring tasks, and custom task lists that will help make the transition smoother. Take some time to explore these features to get your setup optimized for maximum efficiency. If you're migrating a large amount of data, or if the export-import process feels overwhelming, Teamwork also offers integrations with other software and third-party migration services. These services can help with bulk migrations, saving you time and effort. Throughout this process, one thing to keep in mind is that Teamwork's user interface is intuitive, and its powerful features make it easy to adapt. Whether you're a small team or a large organization, Teamwork can scale with you. Before we wrap up, don't forget that you can try Teamwork. Come completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. In fact, we've arranged an exclusive bonus that will give you an extended free trial so you can experience everything Teamwork has to offer without any commitments. Migrating data to teamwork.com may seem like a big task, but with the right preparation and tools, it can be done quickly and seamlessly. Take advantage of the free trial to get started today and see how teamwork.com can help your team achieve better collaboration and productivity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link below for your extended free trial to teamwork.com.